Good morning, collective. It's Ms. Nina with the word of the day. Today is Tuesday, August 18th, 2026, and the word is accumulated. accumulated. An adjective describing something gathered, collected, or amassed over a period of time. In Revelation 3, verse 17, Jesus says, "You claim, 'I am rich. I have accumulated riches and I need nothing.' But you do not realize that you are miserable, pathetic, poor, blind, and naked." Ms. Nina says, "They accumulated a plethora of material wealth, but their souls were starved and impoverished." Shalom.